Welcome to Josh's Green Garage. Today, the 210 is getting some new boots. Let's try to do this millennial farmer style. Oh, it worked. So just a quick look at the new set of tires I got for the 210. I got new tires all the way around. So when I first got this, it had a bit of a mismatch, I guess you could say. On the front, it had a, on one side was a Carlisle, Turf Saver. And then the other side had a Carlisle, Turf Track CS2. It looks similar to these ones. So I replaced both of those. These are the Carlisle Turf Masters. So I went from the other two were 2-ply tires. These are 4-ply tires. So a bit heavier duty. And this is the same tire that my 580 had on the front and what a lot of the higher end lawn and garden tractors will come with if they come with turf tires. So enough about that. Everybody loves rear tires. So back here we got Carlisle True Powers. These are the stock size. They're sorry, I have stuff in the way. I can't really stand too far away. There we go. They're the stock size, the 23, 10.5, 12. I would have gone to a 24 if they made it in a 24, but they don't make the True Power in a 24. But yeah, so originally I was considering getting what I have on the front for the rear in a 24. And I had a really hard time deciding on whether or not I wanted to go with a turf tire or if I wanted to go to an ag tire. I really wanted the ags. They look nice. Eventually, I'm hoping I can use this for plowing and whatnot one day. Some garden work and stuff. But I'm trying to get it kind of set up for that. But until then, I won't really be doing much of that. So I was thinking, if anything, I would just be doing some mowing. And then it was the whole struggle of, okay, are these going to destroy a lawn? Are they not going to destroy a lawn? I don't know. Well, as you all probably know, I have a set of True Powers up there for the 758. And I actually pulled the lawn sweeper around the yard before all the grass came back all the way to try to pick up leaves and stuff. And the ag tires on that tractor did not destroy the yard whatsoever. I think the only time you would leave any kind of mark in the yard is if you were at full lock doing a turn with it, which this can't turn as tight as the 758. So wouldn't have to worry about that. Plus I don't have them on the front. There's not really any need. But I decided, you know what? I'm sold on ag tires for a lawn. They're not gonna hurt it. These are probably one of the more aggressive ones you're gonna find, being they have a pretty aggressive edge block on them. You can get some that have a more rounded block on the edge of the tire, but I didn't have any issue with those on the 758, so I decided to go with it for this. So enough about that. I think I'm going to do another video talking about different tires and stuff of that nature, but just wanted to show you how this guy's coming along. Any questions or anything like that, please, of course, feel free. Other than that, thanks for watching. Have a good one.